Started Cub Scouts when I was 5 years old. From then, I went through Cub Scouts and went all the way until I was in middle school, and then I went into the Boy Scouts. With Boy Scouts and Cub Scouts, of course, it's a very big difference, but within Boy Scouts, I learned plenty of things. Being a Scout to me means that you are the example of a man. You're an example of a American citizen, an American male that truly shows the example to other people, to where you're a person that's full of leadership and full of opportunities for you to go out and be able to experience things in the world. Ever since I was born, I had an arachnoid cyst, which was connected to the back of my cerebellum and onto my brainstem, which caused tons of medical problems for me, but they didn't even know I had it until I was about 7 years old. At 7, I came here to Texas Children's Hospital, and I had the procedure done to where they removed it surgically. From that, I have an undiagnosed disease of classifications of periodic fever syndrome, tons of other things to where it affects short-term memory and everything else like that, including muscles. My Eagle Scout project was something that was very dear to my heart. It was something that ever since I actually had my blanket given to me when I was 7 years old, it was always a passion of mine to go back in and to do something back for Texas children, since they've done so much for me. And what it really means to me is like it's a comfort. Like when I was a kid, I never really understood the impact that it had on me. But then once I got older, I realized that it was there for me. It was all the people that loved me that was there for me, and they were there to comfort me and to support me no matter what happens. With Courage and with Boy Scouts, we actually have something called the Scout Law, which is a list of words that is like our law of being a Boy Scout and what it means to us being a Boy Scout. Through Courage, it really develops as a Boy Scout to where, at a young age, you're going out and you're camping by yourself or in your own tent. You have to set up your own tent. You have to cook your own food. You become very independent. And with Courage, some people are afraid of the dark. Some people are afraid just going out in the nature because they don't know what's out there. It kind of brings out this feeling of courage to where you are, you're out there, you're outgoing and stuff like that. What's going on? You kind of just have to put, a smile on your face, because, there's really nothing that you can do, especially in my standpoint. But it's still such a positive thing. I'm still here. I'm still alive. I'm still in Scouts. I'm still making a difference in my community. And the courage that I got from, just going throughout my hospital life and stuff like that is just, something that I can take with me throughout the rest of my life.